Just as in transistor circuits needing feedback for various applications, so we have the same opportunity to do the same type of functions with the op-amp IC chip and to use either degenerative or regenerative feedback. In the case of where we want to have a very stable circuit or a signal going from the input to the output, degenerative feedback feeds a little bit of the output back to the input. But remember that the signal coming into the inverting terminal will be inverted at this output. Although this presents a negative type of feedback going back to the input, it provides linearity, and the circuit works with a much better output looking signal as comparison with the input. And sometimes we use this degenerative circuit back here to establish the gain for this particular circuit. In the case of this one, it goes this way. This is having an in-phase signal between the input and the output, and we call that regenerative feedback. Now the purpose of that is to allow oscillation to take place. In this case then, we want to actually generate a signal going to the output. What you'll notice on this input circuit then is the regenerative feedback resistance, or the loop, and you'll also notice that there's timing circuitry back here like resistors and capacitors to establish a frequency for this particular circuit. Regenerative produces a linearity in the signal going out. Regenerative feedback is actually helping to aid in the process of oscillation or signal generation for signal generators.